The tutorial for the rainbow mobile phone bag that has been watched by 1 million people is here. Are you ready? Pin this for later. Girls, this one's for you. The rainbow phone bag tutorial is finally here. Let's take a look at the space first. It can easily fit a phone and all your little makeup essentials. Don't be fooled by its size. It actually has a lot of room inside. Let's start with the yarn we'll be using. I'm using Susan's Family Handcrafted number 2 knit thread, which is a space-dyed yarn. You only need one strand to create a very beautiful color gradient. This bag made with color 105 autumn hues, but today we will demonstrate with the color 110 Wonderland instead. For the crochet hook, you can use either 3.5mm or 4mm. Just add a button and a strap, and you're all set. Let's start by crocheting the bottom part of the bag. Begin with a magic ring. Crochet 1 chain stitch. This does not count as a stitch. Next, we need to crochet 6 single crochets into the ring. Here, 1 V-shape counts as 1 stitch. After completing, tighten the yarn loop. Join with a slip stitch into the first stitch. The first round is complete. For the second round, start with 1 chain. Then crochet 2 single crochets into each stitch. Crochet 6 groups, which makes a total of 12 stitches. This is the first group. After completing 12 single crochets, join with a slip stitch into the first stitch. The second round is complete. For the third round, start with 1 chain stitch. Crochet 1 single crochet into the first stitch. Work 2 single crochets in the second stitch to increase 1 stitch. This counts as 1 group. Continue with 1 single crochet and 2 single crochets in 1. Repeat this pattern for 5 more groups. This round has a total of 18 stitches. After completing 18 single crochets, join with a slip stitch into the first stitch. The third round is complete. For the fourth round, start with 1 chain. Crochet 1 single crochet into the first stitch. Increase 1 stitch in the second stitch by crocheting 2 single crochets in 1. Crochet 1 single crochet into the third stitch. This makes 4 stitches as 1 group. Next, we will crochet 5 more groups following this pattern. After completing 24 stitches, join with a slip stitch into the first stitch. The fourth round is complete. For the fifth round, start with 1 chain. Start by crocheting 3 single crochets. Then move on to a single crochet increase, which means crocheting 2 single crochets into 1 stitch. This forms 1 group of the pattern. Next, we will crochet 5 more groups, making a total of 30 stitches. After completing 30 single crochets, join with a slip stitch into the first stitch. The fifth round is complete. Now let's start the sixth round with 1 chain, then work 2 single crochets. Then make a single crochet increase. Continue working 2 single crochets. This forms 1 group of the increasing pattern. Repeat this for 5 more groups. This round has a total of 36 stitches. After completing 36 stitches, join with a slip stitch into the first stitch. The sixth round is complete. For the seventh round, start with 1 chain and then crochet 36 single crochets evenly in each stitch. After completing 36 stitches, join with a slip stitch into the first stitch. The bottom part is now complete. Next, we'll start on the body of the bag. begin by making 2 chains. These chain stitches count as 1 double crochet, and then crochet another double crochet in the same stitch. For the rest of this round, crochet 2 double crochets in each stitch. This round will have a total of 72 double crochets. After completing 72 double crochets, join with a slip stitch at the second chain of the turning chain. The first round is complete. For the second round, start with 2 chains. From this round onward, each turning chain counts as 1 back post double crochet, then crochet 1 front post double crochet around the stem of next double crochet. Next, crochet 1 back post double crochet around the third double crochet stem. Then, crochet 1 front post double crochet around the fourth double crochet stem. Continue alternating between 1 back post double crochet and 1 front post double crochet for the entire round. There are 72 stitches in total for this round. After completing the second round, join with a slip stitch into the second chain of the turning chain. For the third round, start by making 2 chain stitches, then work 1 front post double crochet around the next front post double crochet. Work 1 back post double crochet around the following back post double crochet. Continue corresponding, crochet 1 front post double crochet around each front post double crochet, and 1 back post double crochet around each back post double crochet. Work this sequence all the way around the round. Rounds 4 through 9 are worked identically to round 3. You can complete round 9 on your own. Starting with round 10, begin decreasing. Start by making 2 chains. For the first 8 stitches, continue alternating between 1 back post double crochet and 1 front post double crochet for 4 groups. After completing the first 8 stitches, crochet 1 back post double crochet around the 9th stitch. On the 10th stitch, start 1 incomplete front post double crochet. Drop the first 2 loops. This creates an incomplete front post double crochet, skipping 1 back post double crochet. Then on the next front post double crochet, make another incomplete external double crochet. Here you pull all 3 loops through at once. This decreases 2 stitches, 1 front post double crochet and 1 back post double crochet, forming 1 group pattern. Repeat this process for 5 more groups to complete round 10. Rounds 11 and 12 are worked the same way. Alternate between 1 back post double crochet and 1 front post double crochet, repeating this sequence for 30 groups, totaling 60 stitches. When it's time to decrease, pick up 2 posts together and crochet 1 front post double crochet. Then continue crocheting. After completing round 12, start round 13 by working 6 stitches in a sequence of 1 back post double crochet followed by 1 front post double crochet, repeating this for 3 groups. On the 7th stitch, work 1 back post double crochet. On the 8th stitch, work 1 incomplete front post double crochet around the front post double crochet. Skip 1 back post double crochet, and on the next front post double crochet, work an incomplete front post double crochet. Pull through all 3 loops at once to decrease 2 stitches. Continue working this pattern for 5 more groups to complete round 13, totaling 48 stitches. Rounds 14 and 15 are worked identically. Alternate between 1 back post double crochet and 1 front post double crochet, repeating this sequence for 24 groups. After completing round 15, start round 16 by working the first 4 stitches in a sequence of 1 back post, double crochet followed by 1 front post double crochet, repeating this for 2 groups. Once done, work 1 back post double crochet on the 5th stitch. On the 6th stitch, work 1 incomplete front post double crochet, skip 1 back post double crochet, and on the next stitch, work an incomplete front post double crochet. Pull through all 3 loops at once to form 1 group pattern. Work this pattern for 5 more groups, totaling 36 stitches. Round 16 is now complete. Rounds 17 and 18 are worked the same way, alternate between 1 back post double crochet and 1 front post double crochet, repeating this sequence for 18 groups, totaling 30s. After completing round 18, start round 19 with 1 chain stitch. Work 36 single crochets evenly. End round 19 and chain 20 stitches. After crocheting, slip stitch in the 2nd stitch. Chain 1 and then break the yarn. Hide the yarn tail here. Finally, sew a button and attach the strap, and our foam pouch is completed. That's all for this video. See you next time.